Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how we can easily download and install the Adobe Photoshop application on your desktop or laptop. So in order to begin, what you'll have to do first is open your desired browser. For this video I'm going to use the Brave browser. You can use any of the browser that you have installed on your desktop. So first thing, you have to open a new tab. Now you will have to search download and Adobe Photoshop and click on enter. Once you have searched for it, you can see the first option adobe.com and it says Photoshop free trial and free download official Adobe Photoshop. So you'll have to open that. Once you're in here, you can see this option start a 7-day free trial of Adobe Photoshop. So you have to click on start free trial. Now let's just wait for it to be loaded. So you can see there's two options, Creative Cloud All Apps and Photoshop. If you want all the Adobe bundles, you can choose the Creative Cloud or you can choose just the application Photoshop. And now in the right side, you can see choose a subscription. So in here, what you'll have to do is choose a plan that you would like. So I'll just say let it be in annual bill monthly. So it's 22.999 cents per month. So once that's done, once you have everything selected from here, you can click on continue. Also, there's another option for students and teachers and businesses. So you can choose any of that either depending on your needs. I'm going to choose the individuals. So once that's done, you can click on the continue option. Okay, so in here you can see try these on us for 7 days. You will have like these extra add-ons which you can add, which I'm not going to add for this tutorial because we are going to only show how we can download and install Adobe Photoshop. So what you'll have to do now is you can see the due now is like $0. So you don't have to pay any amount upfront. Like for 7 days, we don't have to pay any amount. After that, you will have to be paying around like 22.99 cents per month. So let that be, and we can just click on the continue option. Now it will ask you to enter your email address. So what you can do is type in your email address in this field and click on continue. Once that step is over, you can get into the payment section. So in this section, you will have three options. You can just pay through the credit card or debit card, or you can use a PayPal account, or you can use your Amazon Pay account. So whichever it is, you can link it according to your need. If it's the PayPal account, just add the PayPal mobile number and it will just link with the PayPal account and do the payment. Okay. So for this instance, we can just show you the card or debit card option. So what you'll have to do is click on the card number and enter your card number and enter the expiry date, your first name, last name, and the zip code and the country or region that you reside in. So once that's done, the steps are very easy. Once that's done, you can click on agree and subscribe option right here. And what this will do is install or download the Adobe Creative Cloud application on your desktop. Once the Adobe Creative Cloud application is installed, you will have the Photoshop option there. So it will automatically install the Photoshop to your desktop. You don't have to do anything. You just have to click a button and wait for it to be downloaded. So that's how we can easily download and install Photoshop on your desktop or laptop. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.